Good morning, children. So today we are going to discuss about the benefits of e-business. So we start with the e-business. So under the benefits of e-business, so first point is easy to form. So easy to form means, or in that case, whenever you set up a business, there is huge capital is required in this to set up any kind of business. When you are opening the business online or you are going to conduct the business through internet, then in that case low investment is required and it is very easy to form, because there is no place where you have to go and acquire that place, or any paperwork has to be done, so that nothing of that sort has been required in this. So it is just you have to take internet connection and you have to do small investments. That is not a huge investment, that is very small investment, like taking in the connection of internet. You must have a laptop or mobile to conduct this business. So with the little investments and with more contacts, you can do better in this business. So little investment is required in this. Like internet connection. Then one more thing, for example, if I make you understand, see, suppose you are going to open a mobile shop. So you must have a shop online. One shop to be there, for that investment is required. Then even some rent you are going to pay, as in the form of agreement and all. Then after that you need display of mobile, means you need to purchase a huge mobile numbers of mobile. For that purchasing number of mobile, you need a huge amount of investments. Then advertisement is also there in this. So this all will include, or daily electricity bill or other costs are miscellaneous costs are also included in this. So if you are going to form a traditional business, that will be a very huge cost requirement is there. Okay, but in the e-form of business or internet business, you need not to acquire any of these things. No displays required, just you take the picture and you display it on the internet. Okay, then people are going to see that thing and they will be ordering by that, by seeing the picture of that thing. So in that case, here display is required. In that day, their pictures or images are required as an display to display. Okay, so that form of business is very easy. So e-form of business is very easy. Second is convenience. So how it is convenience? See, people are sitting at home and doing the business in wherever they want to purchase anything from the world. Okay. So if you see, internet has provided them to reach through all over the globe, or you say throughout each and every place in the world. Okay, with the help of internet. So they can sit at the place, they can exchange their information and they can perform the business very easily. Speed. Third is speed. Under this, you see this business is very have a lightning speed functioning. Like you see, information are shared very easily, and buying and selling is just done in a click of a mouse. Okay, it's just done with the click of mouse, and as soon as you click the mouse, your information is shared with that person, with the seller, and your information, their information is coming with you. Okay, so if you want to transfer the fund, that is also you can do very easily with the digitalization form, that is internet. With the help of internet, the money is also transferred, or the fund is also transferred with electronically. So it is very done with the light speed. Then other thing, this form of business is very suitable for the softwares, music, books, movies. For these type of things, this business is very suitable. Okay, So we'll go on the fourth one. That is global reach. See, with the help of internet, now global reach is there. Now businessman can reach each and every man or a customer who is connected with the internet. So it is very easy for the businessman to reach each and every person in the world or on a global stage. So because of the internet, those who are having the connection of internet or those who are using internet, with that person they can connect very easy. Right? If the person is not having, they cannot connect with the internet. Means they cannot have a contact if the person is not using internet. So it is a global reach. Fifth one, cost saving. Unlike traditional business, in this, no owning of the shop is there, no transportation cost is required, no middleman is there. So all things reduces the cost or functioning cost of the business. So when these costs are not there, means no direct selling, there is no contact with the middleman and no contact with the customers like face to face. So there is no need to moving shop and there is no need of advertisement done for the shop. Okay. So if these things are not there, it means the cost reduction is there while doing the business. Now the manufacturers set their website for the direct selling to the customers. So when it is very easy, man, you can go and visit on the website of the on the manufacturer's website or the person those who are providing the services. You can go and visit the website or applications. There you can get the product just by clicking on it. 6. Movement towards paperless society. Now, because of internet, there is less dependency on the paper is there. Now, people are not more dependent on the paperwork. Now they are dependent on the information which is electronic forms are being made on which informations are given or filled. Okay, and whenever you are sending any information to the person, they are receiving it very easy, and the correction and whatever information they want to do with that, whatever work they want to do with that form or electronic form which you are filling and giving to the person or in the company or anywhere, that is that work is done very faster than the paperwork. Okay. Then other thing you see nowadays people are filing their income tax electronically, means on the internet only. Then people are giving their all details and each and every detail, even the bank details are also there on the internet. So each work has become very easy because of this internet, and the paper is not used more and more. With this, they are saving the environment also. Means natural resources are also saved, even trees and all. So now we will discuss about the difference between traditional business and e-business. So first on the basis of formation. So formation under the e-business, that is easy. And the formation of traditional business is lengthy, and you see that is difficult process, difficult to form. The formation is difficult. Okay. Now we talk about the personal contact or touch. So it is not required. But in the traditional form of business, the personal touch is required, especially in the case of sole proprietorship and partnership form. So, then, now we talked about the setting up cost. In the case of e-business, there is less cost or low cost is involved. Very little cost is required in setting up the e-business, but that is right. The cost required in setting up the traditional business, that is high, because you must have shop to be there, display item to be there, that these advertisement to be done. So these all things that required a huge cost. Then operating cost in the e-business, that is low, or you say less. Then again, in the traditional form of business, it is high. Then now we talk about the physical examination of the goods. So physical examination of the good at the time of purchase, that is not done. In the case of e-business, means that is not possible. But in the case of traditional business, it is possible, because you are at the shop and you will be able to see the product. Now we talk about the human resource requirement. So human resource required in the e-business, that means person must be trained and he or she may be IT professional. Trained person, and you say IT professionals. Then in this traditional business, no, the person need not to be trained or need not to be the IT professional, just a man will be there with the knowledge and he will be able to perform the business. Then risk involved in the e-business and traditional business. So at the time of e-business, if we talk about the risk involved in this business, that is high, because there is no contact with the person and no contact with the seller, because there is no physical contact. But in the case of traditional business, that is low, because their personal contacts are there. They reach the shop, they reach to the shop of the seller, and they have a personal contact and they meet the parties regularly. In the case of traditional business, so there is less risk involved in the traditional form of business, but there is a high risk in the e-business. Okay, so this is all for today. We will meet up in the next class with them. Thank you.